Hi. Here are 4 key questions that you should ask yourself before you sell a home during a divorce. When you decide to get a divorce, there are a lot of issues that need to be dealt with that can be downright overwhelming and obviously very draining emotionally. I know, as I've gone through one myself, one of the most emotionally charged decisions that must be made involves deciding the fate of the family home. Hi, I'm Laurie Hodges with Homes by Hodges and Keller Williams, and we would love to help you navigate through this transition. The family home is so much more than 4 walls and a roof. For most, it's the place where you've built a life with your spouse and often raised a family. There are typically many memories and a whole lot of security wrapped up in this home. So when it comes time to decide who gets the house in the settlement or if it's going to be sold, it's an understatement that many people find it really difficult to make these decisions. But making an emotional decision can also have consequences. If you're early in the divorce process and you're trying to decide what to do with the family home, the sooner you decide, the better. While having these discussions, here are 4 key questions you'll need to ask. Number 1, will the property even be sold? And if so, number 2, which spouse will stay in the home until it's sold? Number 3, who will pay for the mortgage, the maintenance costs, and other expenses associated with the home until it's sold? And number 4, if one of the spouse wants to keep the home as part of the settlement, what arrangements will be made to do so, such as refinancing the home or buying the other spouse out? If you've agreed to sell the home, now's the time to find a reputable realtor to represent you on your interests and best guide you and your spouse through the process of selling your home while going through the divorce. Again, my name is Laurie Hodges with Homes by Hodges, and we can make realty dreams a reality even in the divorce. Hope you have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.